This is an injector out of a 7.3 and 01. So you can see the O-ring that holds the high pressure oil is completely gone. There's like 3 of them just on this side alone. I'm getting tremendous amounts of fuel into my oil into my fuel, and to the point where it's taken my tank out twice now, flooded it with so much. I have 25 some gallons of fuel sitting in these tanks right here. One's like, these are from my old Tahoe, like one right there, and then this one's half full of fuel. And the 5 gallons I just put in it the other day, again, so I'm determined that it was injectors. So before I replace all my injectors, I'm going to try this first, do another buzz test, see what's coming back. So if you stay tuned, you might see the second video. If you don't, maybe you never will. Maybe I won't even post a second video. You won't know. See ya.